Are robots coming for your job? The answer is yes, but you can beat them by using the same tools that could replace you. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that are changing the game and how you can use each one to stay ahead, earn more, and automate the boring stuff. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT. This AI can write emails, blogs, ads, even entire books in seconds. Jobs affected: copywriters, customer support agents, and marketers. But here's how to flip it. Use ChatGPT to automate client emails, speed up content creation, or offer writing services at scale. Add your human touch, and you're unstoppable. Second, Midjourney. Type a prompt, and it generates stunning images in seconds. Designers, illustrators, and even stock photo sellers, all feeling the heat. But instead of panicking, use Midjourney to create branding kits, product mock-ups, or sell unique AI art online. You don't need Photoshop anymore, just creativity. Next is Descript. This tool lets you edit videos just by editing text. Delete a sentence. It cuts the video automatically. Magic. Video editors and podcasters, beware. But here's the hack. Use Descript to start a faceless YouTube channel, edit client podcasts faster, or even auto-generate shorts. It's video editing made simple. Number 4, Synthesia. This tool creates lifelike AI avatars that can speak any script in any language. It's replacing presenters, voice actors, even trainers. But here's how to use it. Create online courses, product demos, or AI spokesperson videos for clients without showing your face. You talk, the AI talks for you. Finally, Notion AI. It can summarize meetings, generate to-do lists, plan content, and even write project reports. That's admin work gone in a flash. But smart workers are using Notion AI to organize teams, manage content calendars, or even run businesses solo. It's like having an extra brain on your desktop. Yes, these tools can replace jobs. But if you learn how to use them, you can replace stress, burnout, and long hours with freedom, automation, and income. Which tool are you most excited to try? Hit the like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more faceless AI hacks and digital hustles. See you in the next one.